I think Bloomberg should be buried in snow campaign. He should be buried in snow like everybody else in the city of New York. Stories about how newborn children were born on their way to the hospital. That way couldn't get to the hospital for 7 hours and the baby died. Told me 2 stories like that. 2 children died. And in addition to that, a person had a heart attack. They called and they couldn't get them and he died as a result of the delay because of the snow. I mean, this is totally insane. I've never seen it that it should be 3 days into a snowstorm at Kings Highway, which is a major conduit, first got a plowing. The first truck 3 days after it started. A major conduit, major artery that connects whole South Brooklyn. It's insane. Come on, move fast. Go. I gotta tell you, it's insane. I've never seen it. Normally, when Giuliani was mayor, you had a plow truck, and behind it was a salt spreader, and they ran all day and all night. And the street didn't get to a point that it wasn't manageable. I haven't seen, today is Thursday, the storm started Sunday, I haven't yet to see a single salt spreader, one of those orange trucks spreading salt. So now you have a situation where you plow the snow, you still have an inch or two of snow because they can't go all the way to the ground, cars go over, it turns into ice, people can't walk, cars are sleeping, and it's just impossible. Where are the salt spreaders, Mayor? On the Avenue, I was walking on Tuesday night, and I saw 3 sanitation trucks parked on Coney in the areas of L, M, and N, and there was no one inside. They were parked doing absolutely nothing. It looks like the sanitation department must have a work stoppage or work slowdown, because otherwise it doesn't make any sense.
This is no snow, man. This is snow. That's not, ask Bloomberg, this is not snow. This is just like 1 inch or 2 inches. That's no, hey, you know, just went by. May Lindsay went by now. Hey, May Lindsay! Ask him that's snow. Chopping the ice for sanitation. I'll make room for that truck to come by. New York sanitation. You know what I mean?
Maybe put it down, get rid of the ice, come on!
Where's Mayor Bloomberg now? Maybe it's the helicopter should come by and land here. Look what's going on here.